Hi everyone, I'm glad you've come to Cook with Victoria. Today I'll be sharing with you how to make yogurt, homemade yogurt using crock pot or slow cooker. You can call it crock pot or slow cooker. So come along with me, let's do this together. For our recipe today, we'll be using milk, whole milk. You can use semi-skimmed milk if you want, and yogurt. Some can get yogurt starter from online or from stores to start your yogurt making, or you can have previous yogurt that you've made, so you keep some to use it as your starter. But I don't have any of those. I bought this yogurt from the store. Make sure that the yogurt you buy from the store have live culture in it. They will write it there, live culture, because this culture will be the ones to make yogurt. They'll be the ones to make the milk turn into yogurt. So of course we need crock pot or slow cooker. All we need to do now is switch it on, keep the yogurt aside, put it back in the fridge, then pour your milk. This is just above 2 liters of milk, 2 liters of milk. Then pour it. The reason why I'm using whole milk is because it gives it this wonderful consistency. If you use skimmed milk or semi-skimmed milk, it's going to be a little bit watery. It's not going to be as thick as the whole milk will give us. So that's just why I love to use whole milk. Sometimes I do use semi-skimmed. So you set it on high and let it cook for about 2 hours or more, depending on how fast your slow cooker, though it is called slow cooker, but depending on how fast it works. So I'm going to leave mine for about 2 hours for it to cook. Then I will come back to show you. Our yogurt is cooled down. I'm not going to take this away, I'm going to leave it there. You can if you want, so I'll just leave the scad. Then what I will do now, take my yogurt, I will add little of the milk to it. I got it out. Add to it. Stir. Just to make it lighter, that's why it's very thick. So I'll just pour it in. Remember, let your milk cool down to the temperature that won't be able to kill your culture, the yogurt you're using as culture. Get a blanket and you just fold it over to keep it warm, because the culture, the bacteria in the milk now for my yogurt need to grow, and the heat there will make them to multiply. But before then, if you so much desire to put sweetener, you can at this moment, and stir everything together. Or you can put flavors in there, like vanilla flavor, lemon, pineapple flavor, anything you want, you can put, and you just stir and you cover, you wrap it up. And what you will do now is, after covering it up, to keep it warm, like I said. You will just keep it in a place where it will not be disturbed. So see you tomorrow morning, because it's going to rest for 8 to 12 hours. Our yogurt has rested overnight, so let's see. See how thick it is. So thick. See it? Very, very thick. So super easy to make. All I will need to do is just stir everything together and put them into nice containers, and off it goes into my fridge, and we have our homemade yogurt. When it comes to cooking, you keep on exploring, as we have explored today, and we have seen that we can make yogurt at home. And because you are the one in control, you are the one in charge, you know exactly what goes into your yogurt. You control the sugar content and every other thing you want to. And you can even do it in large quantity, because you are the one doing it. My daughter loves having ours with granola. So yummy. If you have not tried yogurt with granola, please do. So super tasty. It's time for me to go and enjoy my yogurt. I'll be having it with granola also this morning. But before I go, don't forget to like this video, share with your friends and family, leave your comments in the comment section, ask questions in the comment section, and I'll be able to answer you. If you have not yet subscribed, please do by pressing on the subscribe button and click on the notification bell, as this will allow you to be notified each time I upload new video. Till next time, bye.